Cubby. Yeah. It's the Cubby freestyle. Yeah. Yeah, King Jerv, nigga. Yeah, Cubby 98, more like Chubby is his face. Sits on his ass and he plays Minecraft all day. Almost 53, yeah, he's 1 year away. Little pedophile dude, I don't care what he say. Tried to raid our base and he couldn't touch a wall. Just like his members be sucking on his balls. Rages on the mic when we destroy his slabs. Then he sees a house he lives in, yes, it's his dad. So don't ever talk shit to our fact. Maybe you should stop playing Minecraft and go a nutsack. Cause you'll dig little nigga like it is a Tic Tac. King Jerv, bitch, you know that I'm fucking back. Never left, because I'm always here. Zekro, shut the fuck up, you queer. Can't talk to me cause I beheaded you. Don't give a fuck, bitch, you already knew that I was better. Because I don't fucking let her come in my ass cause a nigga fucking better. Like you fucking did it, how talkie. Like my name is Jossie 17, bitch, I am the king. I'm not a queen, ain't no prince, ain't no fucking princess shit. Cause I fucking hate some shit.